A former US soldier has been charged with the murder of Kerry farmer Mike Gaine, who went missing from his home almost a year ago. 54-year-old Michael Kelley, with an address at Chapel Street in Tralee, was brought before the District Court in Tralee this afternoon and has been remanded in custody.
Mike Gaine was last seen on March 20th last year. He's thought to have died the day he disappeared. He was reported missing the following day after his Jeep was found abandoned in his farmyard 8 kilometres outside Kenmare in County Kerry. Human tissue subsequently found in fields where slurry was being spread and in a slurry tank on his farmyard was later identified as Mike Gaine's partial remains, as his disappearance changed from a missing persons case to a homicide investigation. This afternoon, 54-year-old former US soldier Mike Kelley, who worked as a labourer and lived on Mike Gaine's farm, was brought before the District Court in Tralee, charged with the murder of Michael Gaine on a date unknown between March 20th and March 21st last year at his farm at Kerry, Kenmare. Detective Sergeant Mark O'Sullivan gave evidence at the 2-minute hearing of charging Mike Kelley at 3:06 this afternoon. He said Mike Kelley made no reply to the charge when it was put to him. On the application of court presenter Chris Manton, Judge David Waters remanded Mike Kelley in custody to be back in court next Wednesday for service of a book of evidence. There was no application for bail during this afternoon's hearing. Defence solicitor Pat Mann, who was appointed on free legal aid, said he had explained to Mike Kelley that bail in a murder case was a matter for the High Court. Pascal Sheehy, RTE News, the District Court, Tralee.